Hi everyone, welcome back to Driving TV. I'm Cabby, and in today's video, we're diving into an essential driving skill, merging onto the highway. Whether you're a new driver or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process. We'll cover everything from preparing to merge to executing it smoothly. So let's get started. Know your route. Before you even reach the highway entrance, it's crucial to know your route. Use a GPS or a map to familiarize yourself with the roads that you will be traveling. Understanding your route helps you plan your merge in advance and avoid last-minute confusion. As you approach the highway entrance, take a moment to observe the ramp. Check for any obstacles such as all the construction signs and anything that might affect your merge ahead of time. Accelerate smoothly. The acceleration lane is your space to build speed and match the flow of highway traffic. Start accelerating as soon as you enter this lane. It's important to reach a speed that's close to the speed of vehicles already on the highway. Accelerating too slowly can disrupt traffic and making merging more challenging for you. Monitor traffic flow. While you're in the acceleration lane, keep an eye on the traffic flow on the highway. Use this time to gauge the speed of vehicles and identify a suitable gap for merging. Checking your mirrors and blind spots is crucial. So before you merge, it's essential to keep checking your mirrors. So start with your rear view mirror to get an idea of what's happening behind you. Then move on to your side mirrors to check for any vehicles in the lanes adjacent to you. Don't forget to check your blind spots by turning your head. This step is crucial as some vehicles might not be visible in your mirrors. Make sure that there's no vehicle in your blind spot that could interfere with your merging. Now, using your turn signal, so signaling your intentions. This one is also very, very important. So one of the most important aspects of merging is signaling, because you need to let other drivers know what your intention is. So activate your turn signal to indicate your intention to merge. This alerts all the other drivers on the highway that you are planning to move or merge, giving them time to adjust their speed or position if it is needed to do so. Timing your signal. It's best to signal early enough to give other drivers plenty of notice, but not as early that it becomes unclear. A good rule of thumb is to signal about 3 to 5 seconds before you actually start merging. Now here comes the good part, executing the merge. Finding the right gap. As you prepare to merge, look for suitable gap in the highway's traffic. This is where your observation skills come into play. Choose a gap where there's enough space for you to enter without forcing other drivers to brake or swerve. When you have identified a safe gap, begin steering gradually into the highway lane. Avoid making sudden movements when changing lanes. Remember, a smooth and controlled merge makes sure that you're safe and other drivers are safe as well. Now, maintaining control. Both hands on the steering wheel and maintain a steady speed as you merge. Rapid acceleration or braking can cause instability and make the merge less predictable. Matching speed. So once you're on the highway, it's important to adjust your speed to match the flow of traffic. Accelerate and decelerate as needed to blend in with the vehicles around you. Avoid lingering in the acceleration lane for too long. Lane positioning. After merging, position your vehicle in the appropriate lane based on your destination. Typically, the right lane is the slower traffic and exits, while the left lane is for faster moving vehicles. So choose your lane based on your intended speed and future plans. Now, dealing with high-speed traffic. It is completely normal as a beginner driver to feel anxiety and a lot of nerves when you start to drive on the highway. But every single one of us have felt the same way at first. When you begin, you must be very patient with yourself and with others on the road. And practice because you need that confidence. You need to gain that confidence. Staying calm is a must. So driving on the highway can be very intimidating, especially when driving at very high speeds. This is why you must need to be calm, stay calm, and very, very focused. Because remember, you're not alone. There's other drivers around you too. Avoid common mistakes. So be aware of common mistakes such as tailgating, making sudden lane changes, or driving too slowly in the left lane. These actions can create dangerous situations and disrupt traffic flow. So keep an eye out. Practice defensive driving. Be aware of your surroundings. Always be alert to your surroundings and the behavior of other drivers. Anticipate potential hazards and be prepared to react if necessary. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions inside your vehicle. Keep your phone out of reach and focus on driving. A distraction-free environment helps you stay attentive and responsive. You will respond quickly to changing conditions and others around you when they're driving. So keep that in mind as well. And with that being said, there you have it. Preparing for merge, using the acceleration lane effectively, checking your mirrors, blind spots, signaling your intention, executing the merge smoothly, and adjusting your speed and position. With these tips, you'll be merging onto highways with confidence. But guys, I repeat that you must practice, because you can see this video and learn everything you know about highways, but not until you actually put yourself there and practice every day, or as much as you can with a lot of patience. You won't do much. You need to put yourself out there to gain that confidence, to be prepared, to be ready to drive safely, and also just navigate not only the highways but all the roads in general. So keep that in mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more driving tips. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions or topics that you'd like to see me cover. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safely, and I will see you on the next one.